Leo! Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. You can also watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Leo. Please watch until the end of the video to support my channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you for this month of June. Oof. Leo. Okay. My wish come true, okay? There is pride and happiness within you. Maganda yung mga nangyayari. Maybe you have finished or accomplished something which made you feel proud of yourself. Okay. Natapos nyo yung isang project or proyekto or trabaho ng maayos. Okay. Nagbigay sa inyo ng talagang kasiyahan or kaginhawaan. You are looking forward para sa mga magagandang mangyayari or next move in your career, okay? Sa business nyo, sa partnership, okay? So, feeling nyo parang nagkaroon kayo ng freedom, and tiwala sa sarili. It's like yung mga pinaghirapan ninyo, paid off na, okay? You will have to start a new beginning, okay? Next phase of your life. Kumbaga, kung sa movie or sa series is next chapter, Leo. Tagumpay. And there is a sense of fulfillment. Parang feeling mo, itong ginagawa mo ngayon is, ito yung purpose mo. Okay? Parang this is where you belong. You are looking forward sa mga susunod na magagandang mangyayari, Leo. Okay. For some of you, may travel na magaganap. Okay. International. And you are willing to learn something new. Okay, sa pupuntahan ninyo or sa gagawin ninyo. You are taking the risk. Okay. You have a lot of confidence in yourself, Leo. Okay. May na-close kayo na kontrata. New clients na dumating. Okay. May binigay sa inyo na project na mahirap before. Talagang binuhos nyo yung buong energy nyo, yung skills nyo, yung time and talent. And now na natapos yun na, parang malaking kaginhawaan para sa inyo. Okay? You feel good about yourself. You feel that you are very supported or supported by the divine or by the universe. You are going to transform, change your mindset, okay? Transform for the better, okay? Merong enlightenment na nangyari sa inyo. You feel good about it. Okay. Good things will come. Just wait for the right timing, Leo. Okay. Good things will come on your way. Okay? For some of you, marami kayong iniisip na mga expenses or pagkakagastusan. Okay? need to balance your resources, your money, preserve your energy, Leo. Okay? For some of you, you have a husband or a wife with this energy and is very focused on his or her work. And you miss this person, Leo. Okay? Parang nawawala na yung attention niya sa inyo. And hinahanap mo, namimiss mo, Leo. Okay? Or this person, yes, this person, it's like, parang natatalikuran ka, okay? Emotionally, hindi ka napapansin kasi nakafocus siya sa work. Okay? There is a change of dynamics in your house or in your home. You have to balance the situation energetically, Leo. Okay? But you are divinely protected or guided. Do not be carried away by strong emotions like anger, jealousy, okay? There is someone who is hurt by the change sa inyong relationship or sa home ninyo. Someone is thinking about it. Someone is thinking about the worst, okay? About disappointments during his or her free time, okay? Kung ano yung mga naiisip, okay? Merong heartbreaks, disappointments, and sadness. You have to move on, Leo, okay? Move forward. Focus on your job or sa work mo. There is too much going on in your mind, okay? Disappointments, negative thoughts, hurts. It's just on your head, okay? Parang nasa isip mo lang yan, Leo. Alam mo, parang merong nangyayari, but you can't seem to pinpoint, okay? Or kung ano yung nangyayari, okay? May mga kailangan kang issues na harapin or sabihin, but you can't seem to talk. You are just in your head. Okay. But in terms of resources, money-wise, you have everything. You have the power. You are a powerful person. Maybe you are a leader, a decision maker. Okay? But something is going on in your mind that you can't seem to understand. Maybe baka meron kang mga desisyon na kailangan gawin. May mga nasisense ka na hindi maganda. Okay? May mga kailangan kang atupagin or bigyan ng atensyon. When it comes to your family, okay? Your partner. Tame yourself. Control your emotions. Control the strong feeling, Leo. May changes sa pamamahay, okay? Changes. Okay? But you have to be level-headed, okay? Palawakin ang pag-iisip, ang emosyon. Okay, Leo? Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga energy sa'yo. Bottom of the deck is Sun. Okay, this is you. So, there are some na nakaka-experience ng happiness, renewal sa sarili. Okay, ibalik mo yung sigla sa sarili mo, Leo. Okay, be happy, stay happy. For some of you are receiving awards, okay? Mga anak yung mga kids or yung mga anak ninyo, yun yung nagpapasaya sa inyo. You are motivated, okay? Inspired ka because of your children. Okay? But happy times will come in your home, Leo. Let's see kung ano pa yung mga messages para sa inyo. For dear Leo. Leo. Carrot, opportunity or windfall. Okay? So may mga magagandang opportunity na darating sa inyo. Do not worry. Expect the good things. Mountain, major challenge to overcome. Okay? So, may darating na challenge or mga maybe difficulties, no? Sa inyong work and all that, sa negosyo nyo or sa business. But you know, you will have to overcome it. Okay? With your leadership, your skills mo, magaling ka, Leo. With your confidence, you will be able to overcome it. Just keep the faith. Believe in yourself. Follow your intuition. Bread. Period of prosperity and abundance. See? Pag na-overcome mo yung challenge na yon, it will be rewarded. Okay? Good things will come. Weeping Willow, family sorrow. Okay, for some of you, there are concerns within your family. Okay? Or circle of friends, basket. Recognition, reward for merit. Okay? So, baka may makatanggap kayo ng mga rewards. Okay? Dahil sa galing mo sa trabaho, masipag ka, maasahan. 10, temporary situation. So, whatever it is na mga pinagdadaanan nyo ngayon, like challenges or difficulties, it will just pass away. It will just fade. Okay? Temporary situation lang yan. Lahat malalagpasan. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung message sa inyo. Leo. For Leo, please. Additional message for Leo. Additional message for Leo, please. If you think you are alone, you are not. We are beside you in all challenges that you face. Trust that outside sources will always be working with you to ensure the best outcome in every situation. We have your best interests at heart. We love you. Okay? So, maraming nagmamahal sa inyo, Leo. You just have to open your heart, your eyes, let go of the pride. Okay? Accept kung ano yung mga changes na nangyayari sa life ninyo. And everything will be okay. Trust the universe. Trust the process, Leo. So, ito lang yung mga messages sa inyo. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye!